What's up, guys? What's going on? That's my Jimmy Oaks. That's my Jimmy Oaks. I love Jimmy Oaks video. I watched like 4 videos yesterday. Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers, all my boys, all my sisters, all my mains, all that. Today we're working on the AK-47. We're at a standstill with Oren because we're just waiting for body parts. So today we're doing some funky stuff on the AK. We're adding some window vents and we're changing the front Lexan windows. So YNS sent me some scratch resistant. I don't know if you guys have seen photos of cars with Lexan and then, you know, they've got the swirl marks in them. So they actually sent what's their new product, the new windows, and they're scratch resistant, same thickness, pause, and that's it. We'll get to it. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog. It's important to me to keep educating you on whatever the hell I know, you know what I mean? And yeah, let's go, let's kick ass. Measuring now and just trying to have these vents centered. We'll mark it. We've made templates already, and then we've got our Dremel kit, and we'll start cutting into the carbon fiber windows. And trap doesn't have nothing to mark with. Found our center line, which is what, 26 and a quarter? 26 and a quarter is the center line there, so we can have all this lined up. Look at Megatron over there. Oh boy. You look crazy without a hat, Trap.
yeah. It's like, midweek. This ain't a good look.
Yo, you look like a Puerto Rican boxer, yo.
Like Miguel Cotto.
Yeah, Miguel Cotto out here, man. No tats. Template on. Got a decent amount of sanding. Oh, not too bad. No, just a little bit of sanding. That's gonna look great. Rivet these guys on. It's gonna look awesome. Our 2 holes are cut, and now we're gonna put on the Dremel guide and then just sand all these rough edges so it could just fall in and sink a little bit better. So give or take, should sit flush with the rest of the carbon. So just a little bit more sanding now, and we're gonna rivet these guys on and we'll be almost done. First windows, yeah, these been on for 3 years now.
3 years now.
That's it. So we're getting rid of this because we have the scratch resistance. I'm going to bring them inside in a second. So we're going to drill out the old rivets. I'm going to do something cool with these front windows. I'm giving those away in the back right here to a gunner on this raffle that we did. So for these, I'll probably bring these to H-Day and sign and give them away to a gunner in a cool way. Maybe we'll put like a ticket in everybody's shirt that we're gonna have for H-Day, and then whoever ends up with the ticket, I'll sign them and give them to them. I think that'll be cool. But you see all these nasty scratches? It just looks bad in the sun. See? Lexan scratches up really bad, so can't wait to see what this new Y&S stuff is. Sorry, Gato. Rest in peace to your son, brother. Window out. Window out. Hold on to them, Trappy. We taking those to H Day. What's your favorite sticker on here?
Gucci. Easy.
This Gucci man is hard.
Easy. Gucci.
Mike Jack. Nah, it's dripped out over here. It's dripped out. Humble Brothers.
You know.
The best one on here. Y&S Lexan non-resistant windows. My boy Pitbull's here. Say what's good. You were trying to escape. You were trying to
I was gonna go put a Pitbull shirt on.
Yeah, go put your Pitbull shirt. Why not?
What's up,
Okay, so the Lexan Trappy, help me out with this. Yeah, buddy. Take this sheet off. All right, so this is what I originally had, just regular Lexan, right? So it scratches really bad.
Yeah, even with your hands.
Yeah. And now this is the scratch resistant. Doesn't scratch. There's all the scratches. Thank you so much, Y&S. We're gonna install these new windows here. My boy Pitbull's back. He got a shirt on.
Rapping.
Hell yeah, do it. So we'll put these guys on and see how it looks. So we're gonna install the doors onto the car because Pitbull said it's just gonna be easier for him to install the windows. So Trappy puts it on, and now Trappy's having a hard time because he's on camera. Now he's blaming that because he can't do it.
Yeah. It's the door's fault, Trap.
So that ain't me.
Yeah.
I've been wrong in 3 years.
Man, it would look so good with clear.
Y&S. Oh, got you. Y&S got him.
Peoples, man, good peoples. Awesome people. I think my boy Pitbull's like the official staller for them. Installer.
I was told I am their #1 recommended installer for Y&S Lexan.
Oh, man.
So that's the final product is going to be just like that. No
Fire.
rivets, no screws. Super
Fire.
clean install.
Fire. Can't wait! Can't wait! Bart Scott! Can't wait! You need Big Brother to help you, or are you good?
Fuck you.
Big Brother to help you. Yeah, I think you need Big Brother. Yeah, you way off over here, Dunny.
Nah, you crazy.
You way off over here, Dunny. Check out the drip, though. Like a hood booger out here. It's over for you, Trap. It's over. Let the Big Brother help you. Watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Big Brother. Now, what's this for?
So I'm going to primer the borders. The door frame is 1 inch where I need to shoot my glue. So I'm pre-marking this 1 inch so I can run a tape line so I can have a nice clean edge when everything, so the final product is a nice looking product.
You're the man. So what was that about the windows?
I said they're really scratch abrasion resistant because it's taken me a lot to scratch it with
That's
you know,
awesome.
red 3M, so my primer adheres to it good, so we have a good chemical bond.
That is so awesome. I've been eager to get windows like this because I really emphasize on looks on my car too, because I just don't want to be that guy that has a fast car and the car doesn't look decent.
Form and function.
Yeah, form and function, and the windows always upset me because of the swirl. So I'm gonna be so happy to be able to wash this car and not have to go get a microfiber and
Yeah,
this.
you should be able to
this
wash
is
it.
awesome.
Just dry it with a regular rag. This stuff's pretty good stuff. It is quite a bit on a price point. It's definitely a different price point for.
Yeah, but you pay for quality and you pay for it once,
You
man.
get buy once, cry once.
That's it.
That's my saying.
Measure
Man.
twice, cut once.
Yep.
That's gonna look so good.
And I found since I've been installing a lot of Y&S stuff that their stuff is cut good. It's really easy to work with. I've had a lot of hassle-free installs with their products. Even though I cut my own, I work with them pretty exclusively.
Awesome.
And they've been really good to me, real nice people, real easy to work with. try to get it over the hole so you can wash it.
Sure. Oh my God! Hip hop, sat out in the park. Hey, we used to do it out in the dark. Hey!
Look, the house.
Oh man, that looks money. That looks money. It's all done, boys. Some big success today. Big shout out to my boy Jeremy, man. Held it down. YNS, non-scratch resistant windows. Nice and clean, crispy look, great install. Added the carbon here. Looks awesome. Tomorrow we'll get more done. We'll add the air vents to the windows and the locks. What's those locks called again?
Cam locks.
Cam locks. We'll add the cam locks to the roll cage to sink this door in. See that? So we'll lock that into the cage. But yeah, man, another successful day, another successful vlog. Hope you guys learned something. I'll turn around and talk to you for a second. Thank you for your continuous support. I appreciate all of you. Brutus, say what's up. You're on YouTube.
Brutus.
Yeah, it's Brutus. I named you Brutus. That's it. Your name Brutus, dog. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the AK-47. I have been neglecting the car, and that's it. I'm going to go in full mode into this car after O-Ren. So, a lot more racing. We've got 5 races to get through this season, and we're done with heads up racing. I can't wait. I'll be honest with you. I can't wait. But I want to go out. I want to go out guns blazing. So, yeah. Thank you guys. Keep gunning.